Hey everyone, it's Steve here from CoinKite, and today we're going to be showing you how to add a nickname to your COLDCARD. Start by going down to the Settings menu and selecting Login Settings. From here, select Set Nickname. Hit Enter, and you'll be prompted to enter in the nickname you want to set. Once you're happy with your entry, hit Enter, and it will save. Now let's reboot the device and check it out. As you can see, your nickname has been set, and you can press Enter to re-enter your PIN and log in. Thanks for watching. For more information or to make a purchase, go to coinkite.com.